Yes to Health. This is Purva Singh, yoga instructor and dietitian, and today we talk about lower back issue. And there are few exercises you can do, asanas and exercises which you can do at home and get relief from the lower back issues. All these exercises are tried and tested, so you can easily do these exercises at home, and these are very effective. You don't require anything except for this ball and size of a tennis ball. So let's start it. Lower back issue, most of the people, 70% people have this lower back issue. Lower back issue happens in the lumbar region of your spine. That means from L1 to L5. Reason could be many, but the reason could be many. Generally, it happens because of herniated disc, which is also called slip disc, and wrong curvature and prolonged sitting in a wrong posture. So let's find out few exercises which you can do at home. Now we'll be doing few exercises which will help in releasing your muscles, loosening up your muscles at the back. So I'm using one tennis ball. Except for this ball, you don't need anything else. So just lie down and place the ball where you're having a pain. Just find that spot where you're having pain and then place your ball there. Make sure that you are not placing your ball on your spine. So just find that spot where you're having pain and then bring your knee to your chest. Now bring your forehead towards your knee. Hold it for 10 seconds and release. And just bring your right knee, right knee to the right side. Just feel the pressure, so creating more pressure on the ball. So having a nice massage on that area and releasing the muscles. And then inhale, come back, and let's do it for 10 times, holding it for 10 seconds. So find that spot where you're having intense pain and just try to bring more pressure on that pain and then release. So you can do it both sides. Next exercise is Jatar Parivartanasana. It's a spinal twist. So just lie down. Stretch your legs out and then bend your right leg or left leg, whichever you want to start with first, and then place your left palm on your right knee and stretch your right arm to the right side and bring your right knee towards your left side. So you'll have a nice experience of, you'll have a nice release of that muscle pain. You'll feel the popping of the muscle, the release of the muscular knot. You'll feel the release of the muscular knot as you stretch your leg to other side and look towards your right hand. Just hold it for 10 seconds and then come back to the neutral position. You can do it for 10 times till the time you get the release from that muscular knot. And you can do it one more time and release. Just do it both sides. The third exercise is just lie down in a prone position. Bend your right leg. Lift your right leg. And shift your right foot to left side. So you'll have a nice intense stretch in your back muscles. And then bring it back to the neutral position. So do it 10 times, both sides. This will give you a relief from the back pain. Come on your palms and knees. Stretch your right leg back. And just hold it for 10 seconds. And then bring it back. So do it 10 times on both sides. So this will help in really stretching your back muscles, creating space in your spine. There is also one more variation of this exercise. Stretch your right leg back and left arm forward. So this will create a more space in your spine. So try to keep your pelvis, both hips in one line, pelvis neutral, spine neutral. And exhale, release. Do it 10 times on both sides. Then comes a bridge pose. Just lie down on the mat. Palms flat on the mat. Bring your heels as close to your hips as possible. Then as you inhale, just lift your hips up. Keep your knees close to each other. Just see how far you can lift your hips. And exhale, release. You can do it 10 times. And you can hold it also. As you inhale, lift your hips up. Hold it for 5 seconds. And then gently release. So just do it. Don't go beyond your comfort zone. If you feel that you're having intense pain, sharp pain, so stop and don't continue the exercise. So try these exercises. These exercises are very good. These asanas are very good at relieving your back pain. At the same time, strengthening your back muscles. So do it and just write the asanas practice and give your comments if this has really helped you. Namaste.